Hey, what's up guys, my name is Prabhakaran from Plesae. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is all about how to use your fingerprint to unlock your Android apps that has been installed on your phone. So I found this feature only on Oppo devices, so this video is only for the Oppo users. So I was not knowing about this feature before. I was just tinkering around my Oppo phone and I found this feature, so I thought let's share it with you guys. So if you're using Oppo phone, then you should take benefit of it. So now let's see how to configure it on your Oppo phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Oppo F1s, which we will see how to configure the fingerprint. So head over to settings and configure your fingerprint if not already configured. So first configure your fingerprint. I've already configured it. I'm gonna jump into next step. Just scroll down and found for security. Just tap it and there you will find an option called app encryption settings. Just click on it and draw the pattern that I already set. Then there you will find the option called use fingerprint to open encrypted apps. Just enable this. If your phone has a fingerprint sensor, then only you will see this option. If your phone doesn't have any fingerprint sensor, this option will be not visible on your phone. You will have to normally use your pattern lock to unlock your apps. So now just go to home and open your app drawer. Just found for security. If you don't know, Oppo devices have its own security app. Just tap on it and go to privacy permission below here, and you will see there at the top app encryption. Just tap on it and draw the pattern that you have already set. Here you will find all the apps that has been installed on your phone. Now one by one enable the fingerprint unlock to the particular app that you want to unlock. So I have already unlocked some bunch of apps. So as you can see, as I open my Facebook, it's asking me to input my fingerprint or draw the pattern. So that pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like this video. If you didn't, you know what to do. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon too, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions to give, please, your suggestions are most welcome, so that I can improve them in my next video. Till next time, this is Prabhakaran here from Plesae signing off. You guys have a great day.